Welcome students. In this lecture we are going to study the another sensory organ that is called as ear. Ear is the statoacoustic organ and it is important because it plays two important functions of our body, that is hearing and equilibrium. Now this ear, it is mainly divided into three parts: external ear, middle ear and internal ear. Here we can see the diagram of ear. This part which we can see, it is the external ear. This external ear, it consists of the pinna, and here we can see the outer margin, it is termed as the auricle, and the lower part, here you can see the ear lobe. Now this external ear, it consists of the ear pinna, the auditory canal and the tympanic membrane. This is the pinna. This part, the opening here, it opens into a canal, and this canal is called as auditory canal, through which the sound waves they enters and reaches up to the tympanic membrane, or which is also called as the eardrum. So these are the three parts of external ear. This is external pinna, the second auditory canal, and the third eardrum. Here the pinna is responsible for collection of the sound waves and send through the element through the auditory canal towards the eardrum or the tympanic membrane. Now there are very fine hairs and the wax secreting ceruminous glands and the sebaceous glands in the skin of the pinna and the auditory canal. Here internally there the ceruminous gland is located, which secretes a waxy substance called as the cerumen. The tympanic membrane, it is the delicate membranous structure which transmits the sound waves in the toward the middle ear. It is formed of the connective tissue. The middle ear, now after studying the external ear, the middle ear, it consists of the chain of three ear ossicles. Here we can see three ear ossicles. The outer is called as the malleus, inner to malleus there is incus, and third ear ossicle, it is smaller, it is the smallest bone located in the middle ear. Here we can see. So malleus, incus and stapes. Stapes is the smallest bone. Here we can see. Now here, on receiving the vibrations from tympanic membrane, the ear ossicles vibrates after receiving the sound waves through the auditory canal and reaching up to the eardrum. The ear ossicles, they amplifies the vibrations here. A short eustachian tube disconnects the middle ear to the pharynx. Here we can see, after the tympanic membrane, here this tube, which is called as the auditory tube, or which is called as the tube which connects the ear to the pharynx, and this is responsible for maintaining the air pressure from both the ears. Eustachian tube it is also called as. So it equalizes air pressure on both sides of the eardrum. After this, the innermost part of the ear is the internal ear. Internal ear consists of the labyrinth and the vestibular apparatus. Here outside the cochlea, above the cochlea on the top part, we can see this is the vestibular apparatus, and this structure it is membranous. चक्रव्यूहासारखं असणारं त्याला म्हणून membranous असं म्हटलेलं आहे. It consists of the bony labyrinth and membranous labyrinths, and this bony labyrinth and membranous labyrinth, they consist of the perilymph and the endolymph, fluid like substance called as the perilymph and endolymph respectively. The coiled portion of the labyrinth, now here you can see this coiled portion चक्रव्यूहासारखा हा जो portion आहे of the internal ear, it is called as the cochlea, which is considered as the hearing organ, which receives the sound waves actually and gives us the sense of hearing. So internal ear consists of the labyrinth and this labyrinth, and above these three semicircular canals, otoliths organs, ampulla, this structure it forms the vestibular apparatus. The cochlea, it contains the fluid-filled three chambers. The structure here you can see the vertical section of this cochlea. It shows three compartments or three chambers. The three chambers of this cochlea, they are separated by two membranes. The above membrane is called as Reissner's membrane, and the lower membrane is called as the basilar membrane. Because of these two membranes, this cochlea gets divided into three compartments, and the above compartment is called as scala vestibuli, because here we can see above portion the vestibular apparatus is located. So this above compartment is called as scala vestibuli. The middle is called as the scala media, and the lower compartment is called as scala tympani. So these are the three compartments.